What is DSTEMP? DSTEMP stands for Data, Science, Technology, Engineering, Mathematics, and Programming. It's an educational approach that combines these six powerful areas to create a well rounded, future ready education for school students. Why these six? Because together they cover the essential skills and knowledge that students need to thrive in our rapidly changing world. But it's not just about learning these subjects in isolation. DSTEM is about integrating them to solve a real world problems. Let's take a real world example. Imagine you are interested in how cities manage traffic. With a DSTEMP approach, you would not just study traffic pattern from a mathematical perspective, you would also use data to analyze the traffic trend, apply science to understand the environmental impact, use technology to create a smart city system, rely on engineering to design a better infrastructure, incorporate mathematics to optimize flow, and employ programming to automate the entire system. See how powerful that is. DSTEM education gives you the tool to tackle a big challenges in a way that creative, analytical, and highly practical approach. So why is DSTEM so important? Well, we are living in a world where technology and data are everywhere. The job of tomorrow, many of which don't even exist yet, will require a strong understanding of these areas. DSTEM education prepares students not just to enter the workforce, but to innovate and lead in it. And it's not just about career. DSTEM also helps develop critical thinking, creativity, and collaboration skills, ability that are valuable in every part of life. Whether you want to be a data scientist, an engineer, a technologist, a mathematician, a businessman, a chartered accountant, a doctor, or a programmer, DSTEM equips you with the mindset and skills to make a real impact in these areas.
Subscribe now.